middle of a haboob.
I can see Idaho highlights and like brown like the dust.
And
Wow,
can't
it's blowing up? No.
see anything. We're in the middle of the haboob. We're in our
see
car.
I think it's clearing up. We can see a little bit in front of us.
I think there's a car behind us, but we're kind of...
No. Yeah.
Okay, I can see the house on the corner here.
Yes, Mom. It's clearing up. We should be...
Imagine a wall of dust so massive that it swallows daylight, blinds drivers, rattles entire vehicles, and transforms familiar streets into a chaotic, almost apocalyptic landscape. This is not fiction. On Monday, Phoenix was engulfed by one of the largest haboobs in recent memory. The storm began late afternoon near Arizona City and surged north toward Metro Phoenix at speeds of 25 to 30 miles per hour, plunging the valley into near-total darkness within minutes. The National Weather Service issued a dust storm advisory covering key routes, including Interstate 10, Interstate 17, and U.S. Route 60, affecting communities from Avondale and Goodyear to Mesa, Chandler, Tempe, Laveen, and Maricopa. Residents reported almost zero visibility as streets, vehicles, and entire neighborhoods disappeared behind a towering curtain of swirling dust. "I couldn't see my hand in front of my face," said one resident, describing the eerie darkness that consumed the city like a giant moving wall.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the wind. Look at the kahoy.
And it's like, oh my goodness.
Whoa, here she comes. Look at that big dust storm. I'm on top of it. Holy moly.
The Arizona Department of Transportation urged drivers to pull aside, stay alive, turn off all lights, and remain buckled in their vehicles until the haboob passed, stressing that adherence to this emergency protocol could save lives. Meanwhile, Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport imposed a ground stop, halting all flights for roughly an hour. Over 170 flights were delayed, several canceled, and multiple others diverted to alternate airports. Furious winds battered Terminal 4, tearing off parts of the roof and allowing rain to pour into passenger areas. Across Maricopa County, more than 135,000 residents lost power as transformers exploded under the extreme force of gusting winds, illustrating the immense energy of this natural phenomenon.
It's about 5 o'clock in the evening, and this is a dust storm. This is crazy.
Dust and rain combined to transform Phoenix into a chaotic, surreal landscape, with darkened skies, swirling debris, and howling winds engulfing streets, cars, and homes. From a scientific perspective, a haboob forms when a downdraft from a severe thunderstorm reaches the ground, forcing winds outward and lifting dry silt and clay into the air. This process creates a massive wall of dust that can stretch for miles and reach wind speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour. The airborne particles sting the eyes and throat, making breathing difficult and creating significant hazards for high-profile vehicles on highways.
So, y'all, this is a dust storm we're in Phoenix, Arizona. You can't even see the mountains.
Residents reported smelling and even tasting the dust indoors, while darkness was so intense it resembled a solar eclipse. Many observers noted that the size and intensity of this dust wall were unprecedented in the past 15 years.
That's nuts.
Because the lights are turning on.
Producing a rare and dramatic natural spectacle. Heavy rain and severe thunderstorm warnings followed the initial dust event, with strong gusts and showers impacting areas from Tempe to downtown Phoenix. The combination of wind, dust, and rain worsened already dangerous conditions, causing further disruptions, damaging infrastructure, and amplifying the storm's effects on roads, power lines, and public safety. Meteorologists predict continued storm chances on Tuesday between 30 and 50%, though nothing approaching the scale of Monday's Haboo. Conditions are expected to improve by Wednesday as a westerly flow of drier air moves through. Temperatures are predicted to remain in the upper 90s to low hundreds, providing some relief from extreme summer heat, but emphasizing the stark contrast to the storm's ferocity. As residents begin cleanup and utility crews restore power,
Like a typhoon, guys. Look at the tree.
Because the lights are turning on.
Monday's Haboo serves as a dramatic reminder of nature's unpredictable and overwhelming strength. Streets littered with debris, dark skies, fallen branches, and damaged structures provide a striking testament to the storm's impact. This wall of dust, unlike any seen in recent memory, left Phoenix with vivid images of chaos and resilience. The message is clear: always follow safety protocols, stay situationally aware, and whether on roads or indoors, remember that monsoon season can unleash powerful storms with little warning.